Hi, my name is Manishwar.
Hi, I'm Varsha.
Hello, I'm Aditya, a student from Mechanical at BITS Goa. Hi, my name is Aniket Jain, a student at BITS Goa doing Mechanical Engineering.
And we are all working together in making an indigenous, cheap, and effective mosquito trap. So let's catch the pathogens in mosquitoes before it affects in humans.
The problem, the mosquito problem is one of disease and also of nuisance, which is a larger and more recognized market. Mosquito-borne diseases are usually fatal. Our present problem is with dengue. Officially, we record around 2 lakh cases and 350 deaths due to dengue every year in India. But as per a study in 2014 by Seyfried et al., this must be actually around 282 times more, that is around 5.8 crore cases. At present, all mosquito control activities is done after an outbreak of human cases, but we need to capture these virus in mosquito population so that human can be protected. We are unable to do this due to many reasons, key among them being the lack of efficient and affordable mosquito trap. Our long-term vision of a solution is a network of automatic active and passive trap come identifier across a geography, example an entire city. These will regularly trap mosquitoes, identify them and relay the information real time onto a dashboard on the chief of medical officer tables. The identification function will be developed later, but for the shorter term, our focus will be on perfecting the trap. We believe that we can go to the market with effective traps because using the same manpower will provide a lot more data to map changes in number and species of mosquitoes in various parts of the city. We will develop this trap alongside the mosquito surveillance worker in our city of Ahmedabad so that we can design it to suit their needs.
This is our first prototype of the active mosquito trap. It has four components, four parts. The base is fan part, which is air, and the in middle the net part, which is the double net, and the upper part is the light parts. And this is the CO2 kit where we use lime and hydrochloric acid. We use hydrochloric acid into the lime drip by drip, which produce carbon dioxide, and this light, carbon dioxide and light, will attract the mosquito, where mosquito get trapped into the this net, and fan is suck the help to suck the mosquito inside the net.
Our target market consists of municipal corporations, private colleges, and large resident welfare associations. We will begin with our city Ahmedabad and then move on to other cities of Gujarat. Our traps will be sponsored by local businesses using their CSR funds. The market of mosquitoes is very large, but it is mostly focused on the nuisance market of control services. This is a very large market of around 800 million and is expected to double by 2028. Our work is in disease surveillance, and Biogens is a leader in this area.
Here are the multitude of products from Biogens. These cost from about 13 to about 30,000 rupees each. Now, the counter itself costs around 2 lakhs. Our primary aim is to create better and cheaper traps than these. So, therefore, to first enter the Indian market, we can use the value pricing strategy. The barriers to our entry are first technical. We have to encapsulate all of the components, and that may be tedious. And the second, because of doing this, we have very high startup costs. Now, our revenue model can be done in a mixture of two ways. The first is a one-time payment where we will be only selling the traps, and the second is a subscription method which will be applicable when the identification mechanism is ready for being sold. Cash burn can occur in three main factors. First, the development of the trap will require funds for experimentation to perfect. The second, the manufacturing of the trap has to be done at a later time. The third, the cost of running the server within which that data collection and analysis will take place will be incurred at a later identifier stage.
For the milestones, we have made a first prototype of the active trap and were successful in trapping mosquitoes. We may require a year's time to perfect our traps and we will then go to the market. Based on the success of the traps in the market, In years 2 and 3, we will request for further funding to develop the identifier functions. We will continue with the trap business in a direct payment model as we develop the identifier functions for the traps we have already sold.